What kinds of things can children learn to cook?
Children can learn small cookings and very easy cookings like cooking some tea or some fruit juice or coffee, which is very easy and not riskable. Because if children cooks with fire, you cooks food which require fires, then it may be risky because they are not mature enough to use it. But if they can learn to cook the fruit juice like mango juice, orange juice, then it will be very helpful because it will encourage them also to consume healthy foods in form of juice, as well as they can learn to cook coffee or tea to aid their parents cooking.
Okay. Do you think it's important for children to learn cooking?
Yes, it is very important for children to learn cooking because eating is a very essential part, and as we know the value of eating, so we need to also know the value of cooking also, because it's cooking which gives values to eating. And if young children learn to cook, then they know the value of the food that they consume and the effort that it takes to make it.
Okay. Do you think young people should learn to cook at home or at school?
Yes, it is good for young people to learn cooking at home because they have very lot of tasks to do at school already, and it will burden them if they learn cooking at school. But if they learn cooking at home, then it will be very enjoyable and also relaxation for them, as well as they can learn more confidently with their mother.
Okay. Now, working as a chef, how enjoyable do you think it would be to work as a professional chef?
It will be an amazing experience because chef has a very prominent status in our society and people value chef, and most of the celebrity are from chef are from cooking background. So it was an amazing experience for me, and I learned to cook new things.
Okay. What skills does a person need to be a great chef?
A person needs to have a very good knowledge about the food and the ingredient that are used to make a food. As I speak about regarding the French toast, a chef need to have a very good knowledge of the oil that is used to cook a food, and the egg and the quantity of egg that is used to make the toast.
Okay. How much influence do celebrity or TV chefs have on what ordinary people cook?
In ordinary people's life, cooking is a regular job, and the celebrity chef has a huge impact and influence over them because they can invent new dishes which have a very essential influence in our life. So it is very crucial impact over our life that is given by the celebrity.
That is the end of your IELTS speaking test. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.